Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today, I've got some exciting news straight from Google I/O 2024. Google has finally released the Android 15 Beta 2 version for developers, and it looks like the full release is set to launch alongside the Pixel 9 series in October. But what's even more exciting are the new features Google revealed for Android 15. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have Private Space. This feature provides an extra layer of privacy and security for storing your sensitive information, images, and apps. Think of it like a digital safe that's hidden away from prying eyes. Perfect for those of us who value our privacy. Next, Google is introducing the Theft Detection Lock. Using Google AI, this functionality will detect when your phone has been stolen and will immediately lock it down. Your personal and financial data will be kept safe until you, the owner, can delete the information remotely. That's a major peace of mind. Real-time fraud protection is also getting a boost. Google Play Protect will now be powered by on-device AI, analyzing your smartphone for any signs of malware or phishing activities in real time. This means better protection against fraud and malicious apps. For all you Google Wallet users, you'll love this next feature. You can now add barcode or QR codes from a photo directly into Google Wallet. In the US, this means you can save passes, tickets, library cards, and more for quick access. Super handy. Google Maps with AR content is another exciting update. This will provide an immersive experience by integrating augmented reality into your navigation. Google is collaborating with Samsung and Qualcomm to make this happen, so get ready for a whole new way to explore. Moving on to your car, Android 15 will bring more entertainment apps to Android Automotive OS. You'll be able to enjoy games and streaming platforms right in your car. Plus, you'll have the ability to cast video content from your phone or tablet. Road trips just got a lot more fun. For your TV, Google is integrating the Gemini model for AI-based recommendations on Google TV. This means better suggestions for your favorite shows and movies, and even AI-generated descriptions on your home screen. Finding something to watch just got a lot easier. Wear OS is also getting some love with Wear OS 5 updates. Expect up to 20% better battery life and improved performance for fitness apps. Your smartwatch just got a whole lot smarter. And finally, Fast Pair is improving too. You'll now get detailed battery info for your connected devices and the ability to locate missing devices with Find My Device. No more losing your earbuds or other gadgets. That's a wrap on the major features of Android 15. What do you think of these new updates? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.